How to cancel TalkTalk contract online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your talktalk.co.uk, or you can even log into your application, right? Simply open your application and simply add in all of your credentials and all of it, and then you can tap on login, and then you'll be able to log into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, simply tap on the more icon that you'll be able to see right here, and from your more icon here, you'll be able to get into your account settings. From here, what you're going to do is keep scrolling all the way down until you see help and contact, right? Or you can simply tap on the help option right here, and then from there you can simply get the option of live chat. Simply tap on live chat, and there you can actually live chat with them. And what you're going to do is simply request the service cancellation within the retention team. So that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel your TalkTalk contract online. So once they approve, you'll now successfully be able to cancel that. So either you can even call their number directly too. You can actually find their number on the helpline option, or you can find them online very easily.